what up, my fellow YouTubers? How you doing? Wife will be joining me shortly. I am hot. Yo, after the live stream, I went to bed. We fell asleep. We literally fell asleep, guys. And it's now 1:24 p.m. and we are just getting to this taste tester. Alright, guys. The taste tester I was trying to tell you guys about was crazy. It's gonna be crazy. But other than that, please forgive us if you were inside that live stream. Bestie, I'm blaming you for the camera meltdown. I'm blaming you, yo, because you had to bring up the going out situation and being late situation. So guess what? You broke the camera. If y'all wondering why this rag is on my head, it's because I'm hot. We got the heat on, and I think the heat is probably a little too high. I don't know. I might have to lower it down just a bit, but not turn it off like Missy over here does. Um, the heat definitely hit me hard, and it's got me a headache. I have a headache. Now, um, what will we be trying out, right? Yeah, I'm wondering. All right. So, what we are going to try out is wifey. Let me stop.
Hi.
She finally made it. She wake up and then one got out of bed. I said, "Well, Mom, don't do it now. God dang, I'm doing it now because I gotta eat. I'm really hungry. I was hungry before I passed out, but I didn't want to get out of bed. No, we was like all on top of each other, snuggling. If you haven't seen that live stream, go see it and stay until it actually ends because it froze. But we still was talking. But on top of that, it was a very interesting live stream. Started out all freaking okay, cool. Then all of a sudden it started getting funny, and then all of a sudden things said freeze. Yeah, best eye, it's your fault. You broke it this go around, not me, not wifey. Nope, you did. But it was a very interesting stream. Now, the cereal we are trying today is supposed to be a new cereal. I don't know. It says new, but maybe it's been out for a while.
Yeah.
But it's called the Reese's Puff Cluster Crunch. Now, one thing I notice about the stores, they doing a lot of family packs now. What happened to the small packs? You know what I mean? Now they got the family packs of the cereals. Now, this one has over 160 calories to 200. Um, the vitamin D is 10% to 15%. The calcium is 10 to 20%. Iron is 20%, which is actually pretty good. Potassium 2% to 6%. Vitamin A 10 to 15. See, everything is actually pretty much inside of this crunchy crunch. Everything that we need in there, which is crazy. It's got it all, guys. Um, I would read it all and keep going, but I'm not. We are really hungry. So let's get this thing going, wifey. Open up that box. While she opens up that box, the milk that we're going to be using is silk almond milk. Yes, guys. I don't know how many of y'all actually use this milk, but it's the vanilla one, but it's unsweetened. We tried the sweetened one. It was very, very strong, so we used the unsweetened. This ain't for you. God damn, she come running. Niecy poo. But yeah, it's unsweetened milk. It's really good. 0 grams of sugar. Good milk. Um, I never really tried it until my wife tried it. And when I actually was drinking it, it had a very interesting taste. But one thing I can say, guys, is I don't drink the milk. I eat the milk with the food. But when I get to the bottom of it, tell the baby, I never drink the milk. Okay? That's the thing with me. Only way I'll drink that milk is if it was strawberry milk. Tell him,
Definitely smell like Reese's. Yeah.
Does. I can't really smell. My nose is congested. It's this one. Damn heat. Um, it's got a little bit. Yeah, now I got it. It got yeah, it smell like Reese's. It does. And kind of instead of balls, they made them like this.
Cluster crunch.
Cluster crunch. Interesting. So let me try one without milk. It's definitely Reese's as a cluster.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Let's get it in the bowl. Come on, let's get this thing in the bowl and get to eating. Cause I'm clustering hungry. I'm clustering already. I prefer to, the little balls, but these are not the balls. They're actually clusters. It's burying my spoon. Um, you are not getting any. You better go away. Here, since you pour yours first. Tell her that the bowl ate it. Oh, it's got two different kinds. Guys, they have this light color and dark color. Yeah, the one I had before was the dark one. Let's try the light one. That's got a different taste. The dark one tastes better.
Yeah.
Bernice is underneath the table begging for our food, like always. She think it's like a snack, snack, snack.
Cause she's hungry.
Well, we eat first, god dang it. You better hold your horse, cause I got a headache. Cause this heat is killing me. So wait. Now the taste.
Mm.
You didn't offer nobody any. How rude. Here you go, guys. You want to taste first? Even though I tasted it first with a little one without milk, but here you go. You're welcome.
That's good. What tastes good to me?
Guys, I gotta take one more spoon before I can give you the result. Because it's got a very interesting taste. It's a very interesting taste and it's crunchy. Very crunchy. Um,
It's definitely crunchy.
it's definitely crunchy. Hold on. Okay. This is good. It's really good. I can eat this all day. I can tell you guys. Because you barely taste the Reese's. You barely taste it. The most you're doing is crunching on it. And the Reese's taste comes in after. Once you're done munching and crunching, that's when you taste that Reese's taste. And it's really good. It's really good, guys. If y'all like the Reese's balls better than this, I give them both a 10.
Mm-hmm.
I give them both a 10, yo. That's my real. I'm going at 10 on this. This is really good, guys. It's not even bad. I hope you guys can hear me because if not, I am so sorry. This is so good. Wow. And they call this the cluster? I'm sorry. Reese's Puff Crunch would have been enough.
Mm-hmm.
Not cluster crunch. Crunch. Oh, There is no cluster. If they call it a cluster, it's probably because you're filling your mouth off with a cluster in them. But no different than Reese's Puff. They should have said Reese's Puff Crunch instead of cluster. That's that. I'm sorry, guys. They need to rename it. It's really good. It's good.
Definitely your time.
Yo, try it. Saucy again. Trust me. Try it. mm, it's good. Look, she right here. Now she want to sleep. After she begging, yo. I see that. Mm-hmm. After she begged, she want to do that. You gotta love them. It's really good. Really, really good. Mm. That's a big cluster, if you're saying cluster. But I filled my bowl up. I ain't made it fill it up that much. I only need one bowl. Mm-hmm. One bowl. Normally, I need like two bowls. And maybe just like a little bit. This one, one. One bowl. One bowl, guys. Really good. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. You taste the chocolate, then you taste the inner. You know how you got the chocolate part, and then you got the nice little peanut butter. Mm-hmm. Not sure how they did it. They did a marvelous job. Don't make me look it up and see how they made it. No, don't look it up. Might be like, don't do it. Don't do it. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Some stuff are left to be a secret. You don't want to know. Then you'd be mad talking about that. I knew I should have never looked at it. Mm-hmm. See this crap? We can't do a damn thing. Look at this crap. Every time we eat, this is what we go through.
Every time we eat.
You're hungry. Wifey finished hers. Look at that. Ain't that a cluster? And you saw I didn't pour that much, did I? No. But dang, that's a lot in there. I think the bowl's just a little too big. He had a small bowl.
Yeah.
This bowl's huge. What was I thinking? I was hungry. That's what I was thinking. But yeah, guys, this is a 10. How's my head feeling? A lot better. Oh my God, it's feeling a lot better. Yo, that heat was beaming, and then the hunger kicked in. So, how's my head feeling? It's feeling a lot better. This rag feels so good too. It's a cold rag. Feels good. I probably think I'm crazy. Guess what? Nah. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Even though I do smoke, I don't smoke all the time. No, guys. As you can see, I'm sober. This is me waking up and being hungry. Just for hunger. That's why I said I don't smoke a lot. No. I know most of y'all sold me smoking that day, my review was live. I was feeling some kind of way that day. Wife could tell you, I was feeling some kind of way that I had to do that because I was mad and upset. I was more upset and heated because something wasn't working the way that it was supposed to work, and something didn't happen that was supposed to happen. That's why I was smoking that day when y'all saw me. But I'm not normally like that. Just letting you know, guys. And sometimes it calms me down. So yeah. No, guys, I'm not a pothead. Like I said, it's my medication. It's my remedy to actually try and keep me more calm and mellow. Okay, guys? It's for my depression, my anger management situation, all that. That's why I do it. All right, guys? And then it calms me down. It does. So, just letting you guys know. Not only that, it helps with my asthma as well. Most of y'all probably don't even remember I got asthma. Yeah, I got asthma. It helps with it as well. So, just want to let you guys know. Anything else you want to add, woman? Because you look lost. Yo, it's like she stays into space, yo. She's zoned out. You saw that, right? She was thinking about something. She probably saying, should I have another bowl? I don't know. Should it taste so good? I don't even know if I want another bowl. But other than that, guys, I hope you actually enjoyed this. I'm about Reese's up to death. Because you know after this, I'm gonna reach in that bathroom, right? That totally gonna be like Reese's custard. I ain't afraid to say it, yo. It goes in and it comes out the other way, yo. That's the cluster. But anyway, I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. This is a 10 though. It is a 10.
Yeah, it is.
It's a 10. Man, you can't eat this every day. Every now and then. Yeah. But not every day, guys. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't do it.
We have some more tasters coming out. We got 2 more boxes of cereal to try. We have the Captain Crunch. And we have the Fruit Loops. I'm not telling you what they look like. You know it when you see it. But Captain Crunch and Fruit Loop cereal are the last 2 boxes that we have to try. What's the next one? Probably Fruit Loop. We're leaving Captain Crunch. Excuse me.
What the bird?
Captain Crunch alone. That'll be last. But yeah, Fruit Loops is the next taster. It might be tonight if I get the munchies. Who knows? You know, that might be our dinner. Cereal again. So this is the time for stretching since something didn't come in the mail. Sucks. So we have to stretch again for 2 weeks. You gotta love it, don't you? We did it before, but it sucked. And we have to do it again. It's a pain in the ass. It is, guys. Especially when you don't get enough food stamps. And then your bills is taking over everything. So that's the problem that we're having. I'm not happy about it at all. I was ready to take over the bills for next month so that we could get ourselves situated and try and get back on track. Something didn't come in the mail. Most of y'all probably didn't even get your taxes yet. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, guys. Where is our taxes at, right? What's going on with this? Why ain't taxes yet? Most people have gotten them already, but most people have not. Same thing as the stimulus checks, guys. What's going on? Start and think. We getting cheated. Yeah. So, will this world be coming to an end? Good question. That's one thing been trying to figure out. Playing these games, all these war games that you're playing. Pay attention, guys. Pay attention. I gotta say this before we end. These video games that we play, the zombie games, the crazy Division 1, Division 2, Marvels, all that other stuff. Where do people get these ideas from? Ideas from, right? They're making stuff, and some people are going to take it, and guess what? And it's going to come to real life. So the main thing I'm going to tell everybody, be ready for the outcome. That's all I got to tell you guys. Because the games that we are playing, the movies that we are watching, everything we are watching might actually come true. That's the main thing I want to tell you guys. Don't think it's not going to come true. It might come true. So the best thing to do right now is what? To prepare yourself. Same thing as COVID situation. Apparently, there was already a movie out that was talking about the COVID situation, right? And guess what? It hit us. So what's the next thing that's going to hit us, right? Guys, pay attention. That's all I got to say. And I know the poor is getting poorer, and we're going to be the ones that's going to be more in danger than the rich. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys actually loved this video. Sorry about the ending, but I had to say it because it's true. Even though you don't think it is, but it is true. So, have a great day, and stay tuned for more of Domo&Nene. I will see you all later. Peace out with the cough. Woo-hoo! Bye!